Hello, my name is Cristiano Marcelo Guimarães, and I'm an international student from Brazil. I'm currently a business management major at University of South Florida, and today we're going to go over my Tableau project where we're going to analyze the KAT Insurance C. And right now we are looking at my Tableau project. Uh, the data set plug it into this Tableau project was already reviewed on requirement 1, where we took out every spelling errors and make sure that the data set is all clean, and we can actually analyze the data with no problems. Here we can see that the states with the highest sum of sales is New York. I would like to point out that we are not looking at what type of state of insurance it is, but the total sum of sales. So therefore, it's all the sales made on each state. So we can see that New York's heading with $1,146,182.72. And we can see that Maryland is the lowest, with the state with the lowest sum of sales with $801,545 dollars and 86 cents. Here we are looking at the average amount of sale in each state. We can see that New York is up top again with $826.97. And when we look at the lowest one, now we have a change. We are looking at Connecticut with the lowest average amount of average price of sales with $630.70. Right here, we are looking at the amount of sales on each state, and we can see that the trend now is changed. Maryland now is up top, and New York is the fourth state with the highest amount of sales. So we can see that Maryland has 1,400 sales, but again, looking at all the states, no states have a amount of sales lower than 800 sales. So every state broke through the 800 sales amount, because we can see that the lowest state over here have with the lowest amount have 1,230 sales. Over here we are looking at again the sum of sales, but now not separated by state. We are looking at separated by region, and we can see that Northeast has the highest sum of sales out of the regions with $9,770,475.20, and the region with the lowest sum of sales is New England with $5,075,358.05. Here we can see the sum of sales again, but for each salesperson, and is color coded by region. So we can see that Northeast has the salesperson with the highest sum of sale is Matt with $3,320,858. On Southeast, you can see that Jennifer is the leading one with $2,775,925.71. On Midwest, we can see that Dave is the leading one with $2,771,643.73. On the West, we can see that Peter is the leading one with $3,719,932.56. North Central, Marty was the leading one with $3,688,631.66. In New England, we can see that Sarah is the leading one with $2,580,795.80. Right now we are looking the sum of sales, but now separated by what type of insurance. So it's separated by professional, auto, home, disability, and life, and is actually breakdown by each area. But a trend that we can see in every each area is that professional is the leading insurance type, followed by auto, and the third one will be home. Disability will be the fourth one, when life would be the lowest type of insurance with the lowest sum of sales. And we can see that this trend follows for all areas, and they just get smaller. We can see that Northeast is the heading one, and we can compare for the lowest one that was New England in the case, and still the trend is still follows where life is the lowest one and professional is the highest. We are looking at a map of the United States, and each state is color coded by the sum of sales. So we can see that the states that have the darker color, the darker red, is the one with the highest amount of sales, and the states with the lighter colors, the yellow like Texas, has the lowest amount of sales. So with that, we can actually look at the regions too, and we can see that it's not about how much area it covers, because you can see that Texas, one of the biggest states of the United States, uh, uh, have a big area, but they don't have a really big amount of sum of sales. So it doesn't. It's not. Therefore, it's not based on area or amount of population. Uh, and that's what we can conclude looking at this graph. But I was able to look at it while doing this project was that when it comes to sum of sales, we can see that even though New York don't have the highest amount of sales, they still in the top with the highest sum of sales because they New York actually um, have the highest amount have the highest average of sales. Therefore, they didn't have to have the highest amount of sales because we can see that actually Maryland has the one with the highest amount of sales. I was able to see on requirement 4 and 5 that was really cool. It was how shocking it was for me that Northeast, the area with the highest amount of sales, doesn't reflect the area with the salesperson with the highest amount of sum of sales. We can see that on West and North Central, the salesperson have higher sum amounts, and what I could conclude is that with that is that on Northeast, the market since is bigger, the market has more money on it. Therefore, there are more people working in the market, making it more competitive. Therefore, even though there's the highest sum of sales, there's a lot of money there, but it's divided in between a lot of salesperson. So this was my project. Hopefully I answered all the questions, and I was able to analyze the data on an efficient way. And yeah, thank you for watching.